Yes, Kling 3 is live and is only available on Higgsfield with early access. Kling 3.0 is the future of AI video production, unified, powerful, and ready for Hollywood-style visuals. By the end of this video, you'll see real demos, real prompts, and cinematic results you can generate today. Let's compare Kling 2.6 and Kling 3.0. Let's see what Kling 3 has to offer and what Kling 2.6 did not offer us. Let's start the demo with a Hollywood-style cinematic prompt to generate a multi-shot action scene. I used ChatGPT to create this multi-shot prompt, and now I will add this prompt shot-wise into Kling. Let's do all the scenes first. Good to go. Notice how the camera smoothly transitions between shots. That coherence is what makes Kling 3 feel cinematic. You can also give start and end frame here. I'm going to give it right now and you can see the results. And yeah. Let's see. These are my start and end frames. Look at how the clip starts from the start frame and is going to end at the end frame. Now I'm going to create another multi-shot cinematic scene. These are my prompts. Shot 1, shot 2, let's provide shot 5, and let's generate. Look at the results. This is one single shot
generated in one take.
Now let's add element. We'll add a new thing in an already existing shot. Let's do it. Start frame. We gave it the prompt. Now we'll be adding the element. Let's add the devil here. We'll be adding the same character in different angles. We'll have to name the element as well. Now we would describe where we want that element to be. And let's generate. Look at how it placed the element.
Oh, how did he come there?
Already existing shot. Now let's go through a few use cases and see how Kling 3 performs.
So, you don't usually fit in places like this.
I've learned to make space.
Please don't break another chair. Please don't break another chair.
It feels like the world has stopped.
Behold the silent heart of the cosmos.
Higgsfield, they have amazing plans going on up to 85% off. There's early unlimited access of Kling 3.0 available on Higgsfield. They have amazing plan. The Creator Monthly plan gives you amazing offers with $150, and the same plan, if you get it for 2 years, you have to pay $37.4 only. They have team and individual plans as well. You can choose the one that suits you and your team. This is the comparison. They have basic, pro, unlimited, and creator plan. I'm using the creator plan right now. I love it. It's amazing. Do check it out. And if you like the plan, get it before the discounts run out.